Namaste. Welcome to Yogic Vibes. In the world of long working hours and a hectic life, most of the people are suffering from back issues like back pain, stiff back, sciatica, etc. So today, we will practice some yoga poses and some exercises to get rid of back pain. For the first pose, you have to come on your knees and on your hands. While inhaling, you have to look up, and while exhaling, you have to look down. सांस भरते हुए अपनी गर्दन को ऊपर ले जाएं और सांस छोड़ते हुए नीचे. Inhale, look up, and exhale, look down. Now simply rotate your back. अपनी कमर को दोनों तरफ घुमाएं and relax. For the next exercise, you have to lie down and hold your knees and then rotate your knees towards inside. Relax your back. Rotate it slowly and keep breathing. Now rotate your knees towards outside. अपने दोनों हाथों को घुटनों पर रखकर अपने घुटनों को पहले अंदर व बाहर दोनों तरफ घुमाएं. You can keep your eyes closed and just feel the relaxation in your back. Now hold both the knees together and rotate them. Hold your thighs and move your knees left and right. Now relax. Now for the next exercise, you have to lie down and keep your feet with your pelvis and lift up your pelvis and hips. Inhale and exhale, come down. Once again, inhale and exhale, lift up, keep breathing. Inhale and exhale, slowly come down. सांस छोड़ते हुए ऊपर की ओर. फिर से सांस छोड़ते हुए नीचे. Feel the relaxation in your back. Now lie down on your back and hold your left knee with your stomach. Feel the relaxation in your back. Now hold your right knee with your stomach. Keep breathing and feel the relaxation in your lower back. Once again, अपने बाएं घुटने को अपने उदर के साथ पकड़ें और अब अपने दाएं घुटने को अपने उदर के साथ पकड़ कर रखें। अपने दोनों घुटनों को अपने उदर के साथ पकड़ें। यदि आप अपना नाक या अपना सर अपने घुटनों में लगा सकते हैं तो उसकी कोशिश करें। Hold your knees with your stomach and move your body left and right. Feel the relaxation in your lower back. You can keep your eyes closed. Keep breathing. Now move forward and backward. यदि आपको ऐसा करने में दर्द महसूस हो तो आप इसे अवॉइड कर सकते हैं। Again, move your knees and your back to the left and right side and relax. For the next exercise, you have to keep your right foot on your left knee, hold your left thigh and lift up your leg. Keep your left leg straight and relax. You can move your left foot up and down, or you can move your body to the left or right side. You can keep your leg down also. Now keep your left foot on your right knee, hold your right thigh and lift up your right leg straight. Move your right foot up and down. Move your body towards left and right side. You can keep your leg down and relax. You can repeat this exercise for 3 to 4 times. And now open your arms sidewise. Lift up your legs together. Keep your legs to the one side and neck to the other side. This exercise will give a nice stretch in your back, and it will help you to remove the stiffness of your back. Now change the side. अपने दोनों घुटनों को एक तरफ ले जाएं और अपनी गर्दन को दूसरी तरफ. Keep breathing and relax. Feel the stretch in your back. Make sure that every time you change the direction, you have to lift your legs up and then go to the other side. Keep breathing. Once again, change. You can repeat this exercise 5 to 6 times. Now relax and keep your feet at the side of your mat, palms facing upside. Relax your back. Keep breathing and enjoy the Shavasana.